Morning, everyone. Anyone took any trade, sir? I didn't see. Anyone took any trade? AI 16. So this was the area AI 16. Oh, we had order not here. But on AI 16, sir, if somebody is looking long positions, okay, now you don't try any long here. Okay, we got a morning star. So here we have order block. We have got the morning star, but the volume is very high. Okay, if this candle goes, so maybe after two candles, okay. For example, if the market goes above, so when it come for the retracement, then we can try the trades, but not immediately now because we got the volume here. So according to this volume, we should not take any trade here because this green candle turn, it can may turn a red immediately. So if I want to take this trade, then I'll wait for another two candles. For example, if this candle goes till here, okay, with the low volume, then yeah, then it may continue once again up above. Okay, because this is a order block, so maybe market can take rejection from this area. Yeah, yeah, maybe it can take the rejection from here. If this candle close above this, for example, then the challenge. See here, how we have to track this. See, just because of the candle close is not important here. The candle should go this area inside this. So when it comes back, then this trade will be more valid. So what happens sometimes? So we'll mark here. So we don't mark here order block. Okay, market will do this. So what we have to do when it goes above this, we have to see how the market is reacting. If any candle come back and close below this, then clearly we are going to take the short. This order block will be invalid. So this area will be invalid then. Okay, so on H1 it completed his a trade here because so last Tuesday or Monday, I was discussing about this. So from here, the markets gave us one, two, three. So this two will be very strong. Actually, it will be very strong. So that is the reason the market is taking the rejection from here. Like almost you can see from morning the market is staying inside this. If there was a low volume, I used to tell you like you can try the a trade here based on the 5 minutes. But let's see on the 5 minutes. Okay, structure has shifted here, internal. So just uh, internal has shifted. So this will be major. Okay, if the candle close above this, then change of character. Correct. So this will be order block. So this will be order block here, but still the market should close above this. Then only it will be valid. Mhm. So when it comes for the retracement, we can try the long positions. The only reason volume here on 1 hour. If that was the low volume, then yes. If it come for retracement, I'll start adding the layers here itself. But not now. Just wait. Okay, on adding curve law. Oh, still the market is ranging here. Hmm, just ignore this. Yes, it's still this quest. Good. Anyone took the goats? Great, sir. Yes, you have not. Right, wrong. If you have any token, let me know, sir. I'll check. Anyone? John, sir, Brett, sir, Paul, so yeah. Let's see.
We tried a AI 16 long yesterday, mate, because we got a if you go into the 5 minutes, I'll show you.
Okay.
So yeah, we had a big spread candle here. Yeah.
So,
Can you hear us?
1 second. I got somebody keep disconnected my computer, sir. Again, switch on. I don't know what are the buttons. Okay, sir. Fine.
I can't see a chart, mate.
Immediately it got disconnected. Yes.
Go now.
Yes.
Yeah, so if you zoom this area,
Shall I hide that CPR?
yeah, you can hide it.
Ah,
Yeah, yes, I think it was it? Let me just see my time frame, mate. 1 second. Yeah, I posted it in Discord as well. I think it was this one, mate. We marked this as a spread candle.
That's the one I marked.
Yeah. So we tried for the long on this one, mate.
from where, sir?
And then,
From where did you took the long? Here itself? Okay, at this place. All right.
yeah, so that was a spread candle, and then that was the order block.
Very
And
nice.
then was it this one?
Second trade you tried here.
No, I think it was this one, mate. Yeah, I think it was this one, not this one.
Okay.
Yeah, just zoom this bit, mate. Yeah, that's the one.
Sir, that
Yeah,
is.
so we took this as the spread candle. That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Sir, see, when you see this area, right, like this pattern, if the market come and close below this done, sir, you're not supposed to take the long. This is the sign. Always I used to tell you, do you remember when I'll be holding like 20% for the swing trade? So if this pattern, so you take this as a only one swing, okay, breakout. The market should not come and close below this. If the candle come and close below this turns, this area will completely change. So where is our order block? At this place, correct? So now I'll try my long positions from here, for example. I'll try. So here again you got the chance that this order block, if candle close this order block right now, sorry, this order block where I was looking along positions.
Yeah.
Now I'll try to take the short, sir, when it come for the retracement, because the trend is like you can see the trend, and on 1 hour, this was the area, sir.
Yeah. I see that.
So next time when you try the trade, correct? You see the spread candle, everything is correct. But when the market will come reverse, you should be seeing this pattern. So it is, sorry, the waves are close above this. So now candle should not come and close below this. If this happened, then you should join the sell side.
Ramon,
Yes, sir.
can you remove your drawings? I will draw.
Ask.
Thank you.
Yes.
Is this M pattern?
No, sir.
Oh,
No. So
okay.
now, even if I take the trade here, sir, Yon, sir, so which area should break to go up? This one, right? Because neckline. So this pattern you should check, sir, always. Even the short positions also, because the trend is down. Okay, the market made one lower highs and breakout. So now the candle should not come and close below this. If this happens, then the challenge is to break this level once again. So they'll drop. So you should use break even. If you still have that confidence, market will go up. Yes. If I take the trade, then the challenge is this, sir. This should break this level now. I should use the break even. But you should try to join the short, sir. If you know the 1 hour structure, so when the market is going down, then the order block is this here. Till here it will go, sir. Even the quote also here. I told this on the so this is the area where the long positions. If you see, we can take the trade from here, but the market didn't come directly. It started moving up. Fine, but the taking the sell side, you just yesterday the full day market was ranging, sir. Here, yesterday it was full.
Is,
Yeah, it was ranging. If somebody is take the trade here, for example, somewhere here, still after seeing this wave, he'll just tell it that like whatever he took the trade for sure. Because the way market went up.
Ramon?
Yes, sir.
The thing that you showed in AI16, if you go to Doge and you go to yesterday, I think that or not yesterday, it was Tuesday. I don't know if it was the same case. So let's go. Yeah, if you
It was the
zoom
same
in,
case.
Sir.
it was. So I'm talking about
Yeah.
this area.
Yeah.
So what I'm kind of looking at
Huh.
is that like when it started this move and there's an order block and it
Correct.
broke below that, so then you know that okay, shit, now I have to switch to short.
Correct. That is the pattern, sir. So,
What do you call this pattern? Is it like promote special or?
no, sir, just internal market shift, sir.
I have to have some name for that, so
No,
I'll remember.
wait,
Like I call it promote special.
No, that is internal market structure, sir. So, what
Okay.
happens, even the that see, especially trending markets, sir. If the market is downtrend, okay, the market is downtrend on 1 hour, 4 hours, 5 minutes, we'll get good trades. Okay, so I'll just show you in the gold. In the choppy market also, my brother was trading here. Choppy market. So, sorry, sir. Sir, sir, the market is ranging in this between. It is high and low, correct? So
Mhm.
now just go internally depth. Just tell me, show me where is the breakout, sir. Just forget about this.
Okay. So where is the breakout? So then
Yeah.
in this case,
In this case, yes, correct. That is the
yeah,
breakout.
yeah.
Okay, we'll mark one. Okay. When
So
we got the
you would have marked this one here.
that is also, I'm just saying to catch this trade, sir.
Oh, okay, sorry.
So we got this breakout, right, sir? When the market started moving up, so everyone will start taking the trade. So if you go and check the CPR, there is CPR. If you go and check the 200 EMA, there is a 200 EMA. Correct? So everyone will start taking
Yes,
the
yes.
long. So that this
Yes.
is internally the market. Here we got the breakout. Now, where is the order block, sir? Correct. So if you just mark that area full, okay. Now I'll try for a scalping. So again, now we'll come to the Mr. P point. So Mr. P, sir, so your entry is that is take profit for this trade, sir. So when you take this fib level, it will not come accurate, but still that is the area order block. Correct. So now in this area, sir. So if I want to take the trade, I'll take the trade here, stop loss about this. So where is the breaker block now? Like what Mr. B showed the recent breakout, that is the target. Done. So after that, what we got, sir? Just try, sir. Try. So after achieve the target, what pattern you can see? Correct.
Inverted head and shoulders.
Now, where is the order block for targets?
Target.
Yes. Correct. This is the
Okay.
target. Correct, sir. This is the target. So now the challenge should break this level. Okay. So this was the area. Once the candle will go above this, then done. This is the liquidity target. So this is the small scalping, sir. See, the market, if you go and check on 4 hours or 1 hour, the market is ranging inside the candles. But still on the 5 minutes, we can find the patterns here. The same way, sir. Those when was that? Here, right? This.
Yeah.
So when the market started moving, it took liquidity, started moving up. So the candle should stay above this. It should not come and close below this, sir. If it come and close below this, then you should shift to the short side, and you will definitely will be seeing these candles. You feel
Yeah.
that now
Yeah. I
market
took
is. You will feel that market is going now to break this level. No, sir.
no, actually, I was maybe I've learned something because I took a long from here. Then I saw this ultra high, so I closed fairly good position in here, and then I set my stop loss below this because I thought that if it breaks below this, it will go down. But I didn't take the short in here. That's the mistake. But I'm learning.
No
Quick
problem, sir.
one.
But
Time on
I'll.
AI 16. Okay,
Sir.
go finish. Sorry. Sorry, go on.
No problem, sir. Sir, now we didn't earlier we didn't discuss this, but I'll show about the volume. So you understood the volume, right, sir? Like if you get the
Mhm.
volume, you should close the trade, correct? So now if you want to go depth, see this candle is very big, but sometimes you will get very small candle, but the ultra high volumes. Okay. In that case, you know how
Mhm.
to identify that now I should close the trade. So go to 1 minute, okay. So I'll just show some example. Wait. Because I was following the code, I think so. Last week. No. Bar reversal. This sector. So on the top, sir, okay, when you get ultra high volume candle on the 5 minutes, okay. So you will get a ultra high volume candle on the 5 minutes. So immediately what you have to do, you have to go 1 minute. Okay. You will see there on 1 minute.
All right.
For example, this is the 5 minutes candle, okay, a volume. And we have the candle somehow like this on the 5 minutes. The candle close with the ultra high volume. So you should jump into the 1 minute and you will be seeing there 1 minute will take rest there. Okay. The candle will be in this way. So now the first candle, right, where you got the volume on the 5 minutes, that has closed now. That candle has closed after 5 candles on 1 minute, correct? So
Uh-huh.
this is the next candles. So if any candle come and close below that 1 minute candle, done, sir. You should get out that from that trade. So you will be closing that trade like on the top. You just go and find that, you will come to know that, sir. Until you don't understand, because even I don't have that energy here. If not, I was finding there. I'll show.
Yeah, yeah.
You will come to know earlier, sir. Like, okay, this is market can reverse from here. I should like come out like volume. So in this volume on 1 minute, you will come to know the market will start ranging. Okay, on 1 minute here. If any
Hmm.
candle close below that 1 minute, sir, you should close. If it's staying above that, then you can hold that trade, sir. You will get confidence that, yeah, market can go up from here also still. Maybe next two candles. When the candle will start coming down on 1 minute, you will be realizing that, yes, now the market can come down, just close.
Oh, so it's like decision point that you don't yet know what's gonna happen, but positions are being loaded at that point, and then you
Yes.
know like what's the direction is. So if they start loading short positions, it will obviously go down. And then you're like, okay, shit, it's gonna go down. But if it starts moving up, then it's the opposite case maybe. That you're
Yes, sir.
safe.
Yes, still you are safe. Like on 1 minute, if it's the candle is not closing,
Oh,
then you will be seeing that, oh, the market still it can move up. You can hold there.
okay.
Yeah.
All right. This is a really good thing. I have to find some examples for this one.
Yeah, I'll also find,
Okay,
sir. I'll show that. I was like, I just find that.
So basically look at live what the big players are doing.
Live, right? Correct.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir. And yeah, Mr. B, you was telling something, sir.
AI 16
Ah, yeah, I see.
on the 5 minute.
Hmm.
Yeah. I entered here.
Hold, sir. We'll close.
Hold
Don't
this.
close. Yes, sir. This is the area, sir. See, now you got a good volume here. However, you entered
Okay.
from below. Hold it. Wait for break even, sir. At least you should hold it here, right? This area. So just because of this volume, next candle we cannot say that directly it come down. We don't know. But yeah, hold, because if this is a low okay. If any candle close now, this candle, okay, this candle, if it close a bullish engulf once again with a low volume,
Mhm.
then which candle will be valid? This will be invalid, sir. This will if done, because the next candle has with the low volume again bullish candle, right?
Yeah.
Done, sir. So this will be not valid. Even if the market is coming down, then we can say that is coming only for the retest, not to take any short, sir. Now still the market is holding that. Just see, we have green 33 minutes left.
Okay.
So if this candle close with no proper bullish candle, now I'm not talking about the wick, proper bullish candle with a small wick with the low volume, this will take as a good candle. We'll just wait for the retracement, because we don't know now. You see the reason when we get this kind of volume, just look at this. Okay. So if the next candle, if it's coming for the retracement, that trade will be risky. But still market not yet coming for any retracement. So stay in that trade. It can go
If you
till
go
here.
if you go into the if you go into the 4 hours,
Okay.
if you minimize it,
Hmm.
okay, that looks different. How did I do this? 1 second. Yeah. I did what I did is sell, buy, sell, buy, and I did this. So I was waiting for the candles to I see it was rejecting here
Hmm.
on my order
Did you
order
take any
block.
trend? Did you take any trend line like this?
No, I didn't even take the trend line. No, no,
Okay. Then
no.
why? Okay. Then Why did you took the buy according to 4 hours? What you said now, sir?
Because back in the days, I always learned this. There's a if you gain like the selling climax,
Huh.
so you gain the selling climax, you gain this
Okay,
volume.
you took for the this retest.
Yes.
That is correct. Then that is okay. Because I thought like he was showing something 1, 2, 3. Didn't understand. Yeah, that is correct, sir. According to H4 is correct. And,
Yeah.
and this is the breaker clock also.
Okay.
Yes, that is correct. That is correct. According to the structure, what you took, that is correct. Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now this will become a liquidity, sir, here on the
Yes,
top.
sir.
True
So
champion.
what? So do I take? So do I take this as a target?
Oh, sorry. 1 second. H4. Yes, sir. That will be the liquidity. Before that, 1 second. Before that, I told you, right, on 1 hour, the candle, when it close above this, okay,
Yeah.
once again, you will see the retracement. Then the market will move here. Or else direct, it
Okay.
can, this is also possible, sir. Here, retest, liquidities, it will take this liquidity because when we saw this liquidity, it tried 2 times.
Yeah.
It didn't achieve, but yeah, this time, if it start going up, then it will take this one, sir. We can add another trade here on the top. Just wait for the retracement, can another trade.
Okay.
But this area is very strong, sir. We have 1, 2, 3 here, right? This area will be very strong.
In the 5 minutes, in the 5 minutes, if you go back to the 5 minutes,
Yeah, one second. Hmm?
and yeah, do you know this theory, Wyckoff?
No, sir. I heard, but I didn't know. I don't know that.
Okay, yeah, this is what I was using this. I was practicing Wyckoff
Okay.
theory
Hmm.
and everything. Well, this is liquidity here,
Hmm.
waiting for it to sweep that
Both sides.
both sides,
Hmm.
sweep up. If it goes up, then you know it's gonna come back up, then come back down again. And
Yes.
this is the 4 hour zone,
Hmm.
entry on the 4 hour zone. So I just wait for a low volume candle. I saw this one here,
Uh-huh.
this morning star on low volume. So I just like this stop loss here.
Very nice, sir. To take this trade, like how you took this trade, you should know the history, what's happening on the 4 hours, 1 hour.
Yeah, I've been
Correct.
watching it since
Yes.
yesterday.
Then only you will, like now the way you explain, that is amazing. The reason you took the trade, like you explained now, on the 4 hours. Correct. Then whenever you see this kind of pattern, the liquidity one, first the market will become sideways and it should be a sideways.
Yeah,
Then only we are
yeah,
going to get good trade setup, sir. So the market will create a high and low. In that area, the market will start ranging. First, it will take the both. Obviously, it will take both side liquidity. But that is sure before making any new high, the market first it will come down.
yeah.
Then they'll start moving up. And on here also, sir, on the gold once again. So there was here it
Same
was a
thing. Yeah.
same, yeah, 1 hour
Okay.
on 1 hour there was a zone, sir, 1 and 4 hours. The market was ranging here, okay, and just look at this how they took liquidity, sir. All this area, lot of liquidity. So they went first up like a big green candles. They came down, then started moving up. So whenever we get the sideways, yes, very soon the market is going to a very good trade setup. So again, sir, here also, see how it created Asia high liquidity. They failed to here to sweep. Okay, so they came down. Before dropping, they took this liquidity, then the market started going down.
Mm.
And if I start marking these zones on the 5 minutes, we will get because now this all what we are seeing that will be invalid. It will we'll start seeing the new support resistance, right, sir? Correct. The way you took on the AI16 just holds break even. This area is very strong. It's based on 1 hour and 4 hours, however, like you showed that breakout area. This 4 hours, this area is strong. 1 hour, this.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Pramod,
Yes, sir.
can you please check arc once again? Why you told, I mean, we have to ignore
Right.
today's ranging.
Yeah,
That's why.
sir. Yes, ranging. This is the area on.
But on 1 hour, we are on the order block. It might, if it is creating a morning star there, then we can try.
I'll just delete this weight, sir. It's creating. Yeah. Nice, sir. No.
Okay.
Done our retest.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. And on 5 minutes, it's trying to create
No,
a structure. Shift.
yeah, sir. But this area is very strong here. Only the when the candle will close above this, then the structure will shift. Internally. See, if the candles goes above this, for example, even if when it come for the retracement, we can try the trade,
Yeah.
but not this place, sir.
Okay.
Hmm. Now it took this liquidity both this. So now, sir, just wait. If this candle close below this, we'll continue selling. So what's happening on the
Because on 5 minutes, we got the ultra high volume and the buying side, it's a very low volume. So I just wanted to check if
no,
that's a
we
good.
only 5 minutes.
Yeah.
No, sir, and daily
Okay,
time
so
frame
but
also. What's that?
no, I was about to say they've got a neckline
Yeah.
On the
where you
Yes.
just
year,
you've got
right?
this. Yes,
Mhm.
you've got this here as well.
No, sir. And daily, so daily that is good area to take the trade for long. But we just wait for the confirmation, sir. This is the breaker, like breakout area, right? It came for the retest, that's it. This is the order block. So maybe
Okay.
this week can come till here. Not today, maybe after
Yeah.
next two candles. It can come till here also week. When you get the confirmation bullish candle on daily, then done. We are looking on
Okay.
long positions like till this neckline.
Nice.
Is
Yes.
the volume too low in one day? So it
Yeah,
looks like in 1 day volume that it's gonna go lower. It's gonna pass through this or do something.
it is possible. On the way the market is gave the breakout here, sir. See, I'll show this pattern. For example, if any like when if you see any pattern here, directly assume that we have order block here, okay, and this will become a liquidity. So two candle, three candle is fine. It should not go. It should not make a lower high once again. When it break this level, then this area will become more strong because
Okay.
to be in the structure, they'll delete this, they'll mark here as a order block now. They'll try to take this sell. Only if the candle goes above this, they'll try for long. For example, now my mentor will delete this. He'll try the short because it will make confuse here. He'll wait. So when it goes above this, then he'll try the long. Here he'll try the short positions. He'll just delete this. Here it should when the market came here. So when the candles came here, it should not create any lower highs at this area, sir. It should come straight directly here. Because of only that reason, this will become your strong resistance.
Yeah.
So basically, in this case, you would want this to be something like this, more or less.
Yes, sir.
But now, because the movement is like this, and that's why the kind of the resistance in here, if
Yes,
that
sir.
makes sense.
Correct. So when the
Okay,
market will come directly, it can be in this way, sir. Then at least when we take the trade, we see that the breaker block or breakout area is too far. But in this case, when the market comes and staying near the resistance, sorry, just above the support, it should stay. It should not make a lower highs. For example, if this is again another wave, correct? So this will take this breakout area will take as a resistance now. There are high chances market can go down, sorry.
Correct. Thank you, Pramod.
Actually, no problem, sir. Actually, we should not use this for now.
Hmm.
Now it looks, yeah, market can make to go down here. So when
Yes.
we use this,
And
then
now it
we'll get
looks dangerous.
confidence. Yes, sir. So we should wait for this breakout to continue take the trade. So then, if the candle close above this, sir, just go to the smaller time frame to take the trade. The liquidity is this.
Could we maybe check PopCat for a second? We had the rejection on the daily time frame from the breaker block. Oh, I cannot hear you anymore. Second.
Don't hear your mic, Pramod.
Oh, can you hear me, sir?
Here now. Low.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Very low. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, and you said when this rejection appears, it could be that the price comes down to the next support zone,
Yes, ma'am.
and we should look for shorts. And now,
Yes.
I think what could happen, the doji can be retested from the evening star.
Yeah, that is a possible because we got the high volume here, right?
Yes.
So it's possible it can go for this doji map. If there is any low volume, then we cannot expect that to go any retest. But there is possible it can retest that area. It's you'll come to know earlier, ma'am, when the 5 minute structure will shift on the upside, right? On the 5 minutes, if you see any market structure is shifting on the upside, then there is chances. So still the market didn't shift anything. For example, okay, if the candle come and close above this, then yes, you can say that the market is going for the retracement. But still not yet, we don't have any confirmation.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And like when I think we marked this on Tuesday, I remember this. When we was discussing on the US session, it was the bullish candle. On that day, candle it turned into the shooting star.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So, once it rejected here, that this will be the liquidity. After taking this liquidity, actually it went. So now this is the target. So just plan for this selling side short this area. If the candle close, for example, if the candle close below this, okay, still
Mm-hmm.
we have one order block. Can you find where is the order block?
This one?
Very nice, correct. So how to understand here? For example, if any candle come and close below this, okay, immediately we have to delete this order block. So now you will find this breakout area, right? So when it goes back, right, ma'am, so this area will become our selling area. This will be our liquidity. So on the top, we have, like in this case, we have to search where is our order block. According to that, we have to take the trade. We have to delete this order block. If not, again, we'll get confused. So most of them, you know how they'll get trapped. So when the market will close below this, they think we got the breakout, but they don't see we have order block here. We should try with the low volume. If there is any low volume, we can take this trade. Okay, we can take this trade. No, if any candle come and close below this, then when it goes for retracement, that is not for the to take any long positions. You should wait for to this area to tap. When it tap this area, done. Because again, it can create a neckline. You know how now according to this pattern, we have neckline here. If the market comes in this way, then where is neckline here, right now? So this area will become our resistance. So yeah, my point is until this place, you should try only a sell side, short side. You got the evening star, yeah. Just wait for the retracement, ma'am, or else 5 minutes entry. This is also possible. That's-
Yes, at the moment I have no idea on the 5-minute chart where the price could
Yeah.
go. I looked where the doji is from the 1 hour chart, and it is somewhere here,
Mhm.
and it could be a little bit too far. Maybe it retraces at a lower place.
It's fine. Here we have liquidity. The market was staying here at this place. So let me check on the daily once again. That is same area what you showed, correct?
Mhm.
Hmm. So we have the liquidity at this place on the 5 minutes. Then there is chances to go here now. Let me check
Mhm.
on the 15 minutes. Yes. May go there. I retest also
Well,
here.
would that be an internal structure shift in 5 minutes?
Here the market is
Yeah,
ranging
because-
at this place, sir. Internal market structure. Uh, if we didn't get the internal structure also, if we get any pattern, we can take the trade, sir. But here
No, but,
because of this week, everything spoiled.
yeah, I was just thinking that if you know if it goes to that liquidity target, that isn't this then a challenge? Oh shit, I'm bad
No, sir.
drawing today
No,
as well.
no.
But that's I mean that it's a challenge to break that if it will come back.
That's
If let's say
liquidity.
it goes
That's a
in here,
liquidity grab.
Yes, sir. Correct.
yeah, but I mean like this.
This
Mr.
is
B.
liquidity.
Yeah.
But
This will be liquidity. This will be liquidity. So it'll go past that. It'll grab it.
Yes.
Yeah,
If you're anything, I think more than likely around here I might
Take rejection.
take rejection, but not here.
yeah,
Yes, sir. Correct.
no,
What Mr. B is telling. So here it can take some if liquidity go very fast. Maybe it can take this rejection.
yeah,
So see, this can be possible. For example, we have this order block, correct, sir?
yeah,
So for example, when you take this liquidity, it will push very hard till here. So slowly
yeah,
it
yeah.
come
Then it's a
down,
good sign.
then they'll go up, sir.
Yeah,
They'll show some sign here, then take this liquidity, and this is the daily time
And
frame.
you can retest this
That
evening
is
star.
also, yes, that is also
Mhm.
possible. And this is the daily time frame, evening star test. If you touch, done. If you touch enough, sir, we don't need to go till inside. If you touch, then yes. Just wait for the structure shift or else one pattern, sir. Like when it comes, go back from here only, you're jump. Take it.
Yeah.
So in drawing, whenever we draw, it looks like M pattern, right? But in the real
Yes.
market, it won't be in this way, sir.
Yeah, it's something a little bit different, but yeah, I was just thinking that when it, let's say, it goes into that daily, that this area will be a challenge to break. That you will definitely see a reaction there.
Yes, we'll
So
see
it
some
could take
reactions.
support from there.
Like what Mr. B showed, right? Like this is also correct.
Yeah,
It'll take this support, then.
yeah,
No.
yeah,
But yeah, if the candle closed below this, then everything it won't go to work. So on the 5 minutes, if the candle come and close below this, the low volume, then it'll start going down. Because usually, technically, we'll see that retest. We'll see the retest, but on the daily time frame. Doesn't mean that today itself it will retest. Maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow. Any day, sir. Not compulsory. It's not compulsory today. This candle can come till here, then they'll go for retracement, then they'll drop. So this is also possible. Do you know that? They'll take the retest
yeah.
anytime. Not like compulsory is today. Maybe day after tomorrow. You'll see the red candle till here. One more red candle. So one green candle. Another green. That will become doji. Then they'll drop. They don't understand. Laughter will come to know like, oh, this is what happened.
Yeah, they want to build liquidity. So a
M
lot of
pattern.
trades to be taken in 5 minutes in both directions until
Both
it gets
directions.
there.
Yes. Whenever we get the chance for the taking the short positions, we should not miss that. Because the major is the downtrend, right? And we know the target, the market can go till that daily time frame support. Whenever
So,
we yeah.
would you try the long scalps if you see possibilities, or would you just wait what the market does and just join the falling trend when it changes?
Yes, ma'am. So whatever I take the trade here for the long, it will be just scalp. So when it goes here, I'll book profit or else I'll use break even. Because like doesn't mean it can go to here, ma'am. It can reverse from here also.
Yes.
Because yeah. So wherever I get the chance to take the shot, then I'll enter there. So sorry. So according to this now, the here we got the breakout, multiple breakouts. So it can be a retracement now. If you let me check this flip level. Mhm. This is also possible. Now we got the internal breakouts here now. So this is sign of maybe it can go down. So just wait to candle close below this area here. So when it go for the retracement, you will find the order block. You can try the short positions. That is also possible. Because what I showed on the daily doesn't mean that will go today, ma'am. It can go after 2 days also. So when it goes there, we'll try the short. But currently, we'll try what we see, right?
Yes, okay,
Yeah.
because at the moment it rejects from the daily CPR,
Okay.
and that's why I thought it could be a good idea to short, but I did not take any short. I think it was, or I was a bit unsure if this area was good because the price ranged, and so I waited till now.
Yes. Wait, once again, you will maybe see the retracement during US session. So just wait for this breakout. So when it go for the retracement, this order block, this will be your order block. From here, you can try this setting.
Okay, thank
It
you.
looks like market is just ranging between these, like this
High and low.
this
Yes.
move. So it's just ranging. I don't know, building liquidity.
Yes, correct, sir.
I
And
like
we
it.
have already upset liquidity here.
Yeah.
Correct. Correct.
Thank you very much.
No problem, sir. That's our weekly device session, sir.
Thank you.
You're gonna take some rest.
Yes, sir. I'll go and sleep.
Good night then.
Yes, sir.
Try the rest.
Yes,
So
sir.
it'll be all right.
Thank you, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you very much for the
Thank you,
session.
sir.
It was a
Thank
really
you
good
very
one.
much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Take care.
Pramod.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice
Take care.
sleep.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye,
Thanks,
sir.
Pramod. Cheers.
Thanks,
Yes.
Pramod. I hope you
Yes.
feel better soon.
Thank you so much. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Yes, sir.
Take care.
Yes, sir.
Be well.
Thank you.